In today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 new apps that will actually pay you with PayPal money. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications. This is the first app. But remember, I'll be showing you apps rating from the lowest paying to highest paying. So make sure to watch all the way through. This is the first one. It's the lowest paying out of these, but it's definitely one you want to get started with. I'll show you how it works. These aren't long surveys, these are quick little simple surveys or questionnaires. This app just wants to ask you a few questions, which I'll show you in a second. And then, they'll pay you for your answers. The cool part about this is you can be honest with your answers, you can tell them the truth, and basically get paid for simple opinions. So, it's a mobile market research tool that pays users for their opinions. So this is the first one. You can go ahead and check this out at surveysonthego.com. And you can download it on either iPhone or Android. As you can see, this website gives different types of surveys, like consumer experience. For example, did you enjoy your Starbucks coffee today? Or a lifestyle, like where do you like to go and hang out, or product evaluation. So these are simple ones. $20, $7, $15 instantly paid to you as a side income just for answering a few questions. Let me show you the Apple App Store preview. As you can see, they have many different types of surveys and some of the answers. The questions are gonna be like this. In a typical month, how often do you shop at each of the following stores: mass merchandisers, drugstores, other dollar discount stores, grocery stores, and so on. You literally just tap to select and get paid. Another question would be, how do you find out about TV shows? You just go ahead and answer it. And finally, you can redeem your $10, $20, or $30 at the end of the survey. As you can see, this survey was only 2 questions and it paid out $10. This has a rating of 4.6 out of 5. A lot of people are blessedly surprised with this app and are making money every single day answering simple surveys. So now let's go ahead and move on to the next one, which is a little bit higher paying and very similar to this one. It's called TolunaInfluencers.com. Now the cool part about Toluna is you really get to speak up if you don't like something about something that they show you. If you don't like it, you can tell your honest opinion and they want to pay you for that honest opinion. So this one is good as well. It has brand partners like Amazon, Coca-Cola, CBS, Kellogg, L'Oreal. So this one is obviously sponsored by some really big companies and pays out a little bit more money. It's gonna look like this in the Apple App Store. You have flash surveys, quick surveys, and they pay out with Amazon gift cards, PayPal Cash, Starbucks gift cards, and lots more. And this actually got a rating of 4.5 out of 5. So this one pays a little more and has a little bit of a better rating and more payout options for you. So that was the second app. Now let's go ahead and move on to the third app, which is called Observer. And you can find this one on the Apple App Store. Observer earn money via PayPal. Now the last 2 apps you can do from anywhere in the world, you can do them from home. This one is a little bit different. Now they want to pay you to go out and shop. This one's a little bit interesting. So if you like to go out, you like to go to the mall, you like to go to different shopping stores, they will literally pay you to go shop and be a secret shopper. Which is a pretty cool alternative. If you're someone that enjoys going out and socializing or just shopping, they're gonna pay you for this. And they give you some certain stores that you can go to. And there's 1,000s of different stores they want you to go to and check out and be a secret shopper, and they'll pay you to shop. But you do have to go out and do these tasks. And before we go further, please like this video and share it with your friends, hit that red subscribe button. Because we upload daily videos on how to make money online. Now, let's continue. This is the fourth app, which pays even higher than the previous ones, and it's very similar as well. This one is called Easy Shift. Now with this one, you can get paid to shop, you can get paid to eat, or even just explore your city. So this one gives you some pretty cool options. As far as you know, maybe you're out shopping, they're paying you to do that, and then, maybe want to go try a quick restaurant and the mall. They're gonna pay you to go and eat as well. So basically, your whole experience is covered by this app. This app will pay you to do, so you can earn cash anywhere. This is available in the US and UK. Tests are simple and fun. Most payments are sent 48 hours after approval. And starting is easy, you can start today. No application, no experience necessary. All you have to do is have an iPhone or an Android and then download the app. This was featured on Forbes, Wall Street Journal, USA Today, and Mashable. Okay, so the last app that I'm about to show you is the highest paying app. And they literally pay you to do nothing. This one is called Cash Magnet app. Get money from your phone, they pay you every minute for doing nothing. They're literally saying it on their website itself. You can see this person right here, Mark, his cash balance is going up every single second that this app is just downloaded on his phone. Take a look at this. They have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and in passive mode. In 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you could buy another phone that works for you around the clock. So the cool thing is, you can reinvest that money into another phone, download the app, and now you have 2 phones earning money. This is absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. And you can read the requirements, which is pretty easy. So this one is Cash Magnet app. We both know these apps are good. You could make $100, $200, or even $1,000 by having these apps on your phone. If you made it until the end, I just want to say that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next videos as shown on the screen. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.